Today, I would like to show you how to make an origami heart with two birds. To make an origami heart with two birds, I need to start with a rectangle. Any rectangle that is similar to the US dollar bill is fine. In this case, I will use this red rectangle paper. The first step is to make two squares, one on the left, one on the right. After folding the diagonal and divide my square in half, I will get the folding line like this. Next, I will fold the same on the right to make the same square as the left. The next step is to fold this rectangle in half horizontally. After folding the rectangle in half, I get this middle line. The next step is the same as folding the Japanese origami crane. Fold a triangle here, out here on each side. After all the fold, it looks like this. The next step is to fold into a crane. If you know how to make a crane, this step should be very easy. If not, this is what you need to do. I want to make sure this diagonal line is overlapped with this vertical line. So first, I make a one triangle out here. I flip this one over, and to make this, push this triangle in and press it down. Now I do the same for the left side. Now I have folded both sides. The next step is to make the head for the crane. The next step is to make the wing for the crane. Thank you for watching my video.